I used to have to come in at least an hour before work and leave or and stay an hour or two after, and I get to actually leave at 7 now when we close. So I mean, I'm saving at least 3 hours a day.
We love the customer-facing display that runs our ads on it and gets upsells for us.
We just started using the store credits module and the loyalty rewards program, and the customers seem to really like that.
We can actually text the customers right within the ticket and then their answer. So we save a lot of time with that.
The main thing that I didn't think I would care about is the tips aspect. The employees love the tips and rack up hundreds of dollars every pay period in tips.
Bringing on RepairDesk helped us during COVID because we're able to simplify our training process because RepairDesk basically does everything.
I liked the simplicity of RepairDesk and everything seems straightforward.
There isn't really a match that I can think of, with RepairDesk.